Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Today I will discuss about the Google Chrome group tab. So let's start the today's session. First of all, open the Chrome browser and right click on the new tab and click to add new group. Now type the group name. You can also choose the color. Now open any website, create new tab, open another website, this all the tab are included in the first group. Now right click on the tab and click for another group. Type the another group tab. Type the group name. And visit the website in this tab. Kindly attention, you can close the tab description or tab website. So when you click on the group, then expand the tab details. Now check on the grouping details. Already we created 3 groups. Now check. When you click on the group, then expand all the group tab, and when again click on the group, then close the group tab. It's look nice. You can also track. You can also ungroup any group tab or close group, then expand all the group tab. Also you can move any group tab in the new window. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you. Have a nice day.